Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a gift card to your Etsy mobile app on your device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is obviously open up your Etsy app. And now from here, just choose a product or the product you'd like to buy. So I'm just going to choose a mug here. I'm going to browse by mugs. I'm going to choose this first one here. This is just for demonstration purposes. All right, and now from here, we need to add it to basket. And now once you're on the product page of adding it to your basket, we've got to apply a shop coupon. So go ahead and click on apply shop coupon, put in that coupon code, and then click apply. And then whatever that coupon code amounts to will deduct off the final total of your order. So say, for example, it's a $20 gift card code, coupon code. It's going to take it off this overall price of $108 and it'll bring it down to $88. And with the $88, I need to finish off the payment by either using my credit card or PayPal, debit card, etc.